let's talk about speed distance in today's video. Stay tuned. So let's get into solving today's question. A car traveled 10 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour and then traveled the next 10 miles at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. In solving word problems, the best way to deal with it is to solve it sentence by sentence. Convert each sentence to a mathematical equation. So let's do that. A car traveled 10 miles at an average speed of 30 miles per hour. All right, so let's do that. Distance 1, 10 miles. Speed 1 is what? 30 miles per hour. Right? Then, and travel the next 10 miles at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. Distance 2 is another 10 miles. Speed 2 is 50 miles per hour. What is the average speed in miles per hour of the car for the 20 miles? All right, so average speed for the whole trip is total distance covered divided by total time taken. You see? So now we have the total distance covered, 10 plus 10, 20, right? So that's 20 here. Now, total time taken, we have to calculate that. All right? So now, this first part of the trip, he traveled 10 miles. He traveled 10 miles at 30 miles per hour. So, 10, if you travel 30 miles in 1 hour, 10 miles you travel it in how many hours? 10 divided by 30 if you cross multiply 1 over 3 hours. So that's the first part of the trip. Time 1 here is 1 over 3 hours. So then, okay, this is the total distance here, so I don't want that to confuse you. All right, for the second part of the trip, travel 10 miles at 50 miles per hour. So 50 miles per hour, 10 miles will be what? 10 times 1 divided by 50, cross multiply. So this is 10 over 50, this is 1 over 5 hours. So time 2 here is 1 over 5. I'm sorry, 1 over 5 hour here. All right, now we can calculate the average speed because we have the total distance and we have the total time. All right, so let's go here. We have average speed now is what? Total distance, which is 20. Right, divided by total time, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5. All right, so this is 20 divided by 15, 8 over 15. This is 20 times, let me make this here, 20 times 15 over 8, 300 over 8, which is 25 miles per hour. That is the average speed for the trip. All right, if you found value from this video, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe if you're new. And then also, if you want to understand my method for solving word problems on the SAT, I encourage you to join my Patreon link, my Patreon group. Click the link in the description to go to my Patreon page, where I show you my step-by-step process of solving word problems. I have several word problems for you to solve in the Patreon, so make sure you check it out. All right, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.